So we're back with another video.
Yes, तो आज हम थोड़ी सी अलग वीडियो लेके आए
आज
हैं
हम
द ब्रेजन बुल वर्स्ट
punishment
पनिशमेंट इन
in
ह्यूमन
human
हिस्ट्री, क्योंकि ये मुझे ना थोड़ा सा एक ऐसा सा टॉपिक लगा एक यार वी शुड वॉच दिस
And
वीडियो
इसका thumbnail ऐसा था
ऐसे
कि
था मन कर रहा था कि वी
देख
शुड
लो।
गो फॉर इट
Yeah.
एंड देखते हैं वीडियो कैसी है एंड लेट्स बिगिन। जो रात को हम स्केरी नाइट या हॉरर नाइट कह लो तो उसमें थोड़ा सा एक अलग सा पार्ट लेके आता, तो हमने सोचा ये भी एक बार देखते हैं, कुछ अलग
क्योंकि
सुनने को मिले,
ये
देखने
थोड़ा
को
ना
मिलेगा।
वही है कैटेगरी में चस्का पूरा
हाँ,
मेरा है।
लेट्स बिगिन।
Imagine waking up on an early sunny morning somewhere in Spain. You're going outside, but before you take a couple of steps, you're grabbed and taken to prison. Yeah, I forgot to tell you, it's the 17th century, and you said out loud at the market yesterday that the earth revolves around the sun and not vice versa. There are several days of very ingenious
Or just
tortures
flat.
by the Spanish Inquisition ahead of you. And if you're lucky, a quick death at the stake. Tortures appeared along with our civilization. In every era, people have invented new ways to abuse and improved on the developments of the past.
बहुत बेकार
In this
बेकार
video,
punishment होती
you'll
थी
find
भाई।
out what were the most unusual tortures in history. What's the danger of hugging the Iron Maiden? Why can bamboo haunt your dreams? How were people tortured at the time of the Inquisition? And how to survive if you're being tortured?
अच्छा ये मूवी में था ना किसी सीन? How were people tortured at the time of the
Inquisition?
Imagine an iron sarcophagus covered with sharp spikes on the inside. A person is locked inside in a standing position, and they're slowly bleeding to death. That is the Iron Maiden, a classic of the medieval Inquisition. So,
अच्छा
you've
अंदर वो
been
है लाइक दे आर द स्पाइक्स एंड वो बंद करते होंगे धीरे 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 धीरे।
पहले उस दिन मैं टीवी पे देखी थी, एक शो आ रहा था शायद से TLC पे ऐसे कुछ था, उसमें बता रहे थे इंडिया का सीन था, मुझे स्टेट याद नहीं आ रही। तो बेसिकली क्या था, रूलर ने ना, रूलर का भाई था, तो रूलर के भाई ने क्या किया, रूलर को मतलब गद्दी चाहिए थी, उसने क्या किया, उसके भाई को एज अ क्रिमिनल वगैरह ऑफेंस में वो करवा दिया जेल में। एंड जितने भी लाइक ट्रस्टवर्दी होते थे ना, जिनका लगता था कि हाँ एक कंटेंडर है, उनको नीचे बेसमेंट में मतलब जो चेम्बर्स होते थे वहाँ पे लेके जाते थे और उनकी आंखें गौज कर लेते थे। एंड वहाँ पे मतलब कहते थे कि वहाँ पे ऐसी चीखें सुनाई देती है, मतलब इट हैज़ बिकम काइंड ऑफ अ हॉन्टेड प्लेस।
accused of heresy and required to sign a confession. Of course, you're refusing. Then the torturer opens the doors of the Iron Maiden and invites you in. What's going on with a person inside the sarcophagus? It's not a big deal at first. Spikes can damage the skin a little bit, that's all. But after spending half an hour in the same position, you'll want to move. In a few hours more, your legs will start to get tired, and your nose will most likely start to itch. After 20 hours in the Iron Maiden without food or water, you'll start losing consciousness from exhaustion and blood loss. But as soon as you pass out, you'll feel a sharp pain from dozens of spikes. It'll bring you to your senses, but not for long. You'll pass out and wake up from pain again and again and again. Are you ready to confess to heresy yet? Take your time. Let's figure out what you have to do to survive in the Iron Maiden. Your goal is to stay conscious for as long as possible. Most often, the sarcophagus does not have spikes along the sides. Try to lean your hands carefully on the side walls. This will help to keep weight off your legs. But remember, you need to move as carefully as possible so that the spikes don't pierce your skin. The less blood you lose, the longer you'll remain conscious. When you start to get sleepy from
भाई is he literally telling us कि कैसे survive करना है इस situation में?
You know, पहले ऐसे exemplary punishments दी जाती थी जिससे कोई भी अगर if they want to raise their voice against the current thing.
But हाँ still I'm curious कि भाई वो बंदा बता रहा है कि बच्चों कैसे जैसे भी मतलब ऐसा होगा
Time
तो
travel is possible, you.
exhaustion, take a few quick breaths in and out. This will increase your heart rate and make you more alert. To avoid panic and distract yourself from your tired legs, sing something to let the torturer suffer too. Today, historians believe that the Iron Maiden wasn't used for torture, but rather for intimidation. From the Inquisition system's point of view, this instrument was too slow. A confession could have been pending for several days. Above all, in the Iron Maiden, you can't increase the intensity of pain when you need it, although it does look pretty spectacular in a torture chamber. But torture was not invented in the Middle Ages. The tortures of that time were inspired by ancient China. What was torture like before the Inquisition? In the 200s BC, tickle torture was first used in China. It turned out to be so effective that it lasted for over 2,000 years. It has many variations, but the most popular one looks like this. A person is tied to a table, and their heels are wetted with a salt solution. Then they let a goat come into the room. The animal starts licking the salt off your heels and just tickling you. For the first couple of minutes, it'll even be kind of fun. But imagine that you're being tickled for an hour, then 2, then 3. On your foot, there are about 200,000 nerve endings. From their constant irritation, even a slight touch to the heel will cause a twitch, uncontrollable laughter, and a sharp pain. A way too long tickle torture can lead to a respiratory muscle spasm, and you'll literally suffocate to death with laughter. But how to survive if you're being tortured with
I like how he's explaining
The first
how to
and
survive.
most difficult thing to do is to let go of the sensations in your foot. While the goat is licking the salt off your heels, switch your consciousness to something else. Meditation can help with that. Take deep breaths in and slow breaths out. It's better to exhale when it gets unbearably ticklish or painful. Another unusual torture that nomads really loved was shiri. With its help, prisoners were turned into obedient slaves. First, your head is shaved until it's completely smooth. Then a fresh piece of camel skin is taken and put on like a hat. So far, it sounds disgusting, but still tolerable. The worst is yet to come. Your hands will be tied to a special stick structure that won't let you take this hat off. Then you'll be left for about 5 days in the middle of the desert. The camel skin, when exposed to the sun, will start to shrink and tighten on the skull. After a while, the hair on the head will begin to grow back, but it will not be able to get through the shiri and will grow in. How to survive this torture? Daytime temperatures in a desert can rise to 47 degrees Celsius. That's almost 117 Fahrenheit. So, the first thing to do is try and find some shade. After you hide from the sun, you'll need to get rid of the hat, and the only thing that will save you here is flexibility. You need to pull your head towards your knees and try to take the camel skin off. This could be done best until it starts drying out and shrinking. There's a chance of surviving the shiri torture. However, the nomads will still take you and the other survivors into slavery. But torturers did not always have to leave a person alive. It's time to tell you about the deadliest tortures in history. For this purpose, let's go back to ancient China. But this time, not to the torture basement, but to the bamboo grove. We'll need some ropes to hang a person parallel to the ground and a knife to sharpen bamboo shoots. Bamboo grows very fast, up to 1 meter per day. They just hang you over such a patch and wait a few days. And its stems are strong enough to pass through the human body. Bamboo will now haunt my dreams. Is it really possible to survive a bamboo torture?
Come to Freddy.
You could take an example from David Blaine, the American illusionist. He knows how to pierce his shoulder without consequence. The needle passes through the arm without touching the muscle and veins and blood vessels. I don't recommend trying this at home. But even Blaine could hardly have survived dozens of bamboo stems growing through his body. Only Indian yogis can do that. If you move and rotate your body a little bit, so that the bamboo can pass through you at the required points and at the right angle, it will grow through you without hitting your vital organs. But don't think for a moment that this is the most painful torture. Remember when the Inquisition locked you up in the Iron Maiden? In ancient Rome, the copper bull was used
ये तो देखना
instead.
है।
There's not much room inside, so you'll have to lie bent over. But the uncomfortable position is the last thing you'll be thinking about. As soon as the door on the copper bull's belly closes, they'll start making a fire underneath it. The
भाई
only
मार दो
chance
ना,
for
ऐसे ही खत्म करो भाई,
salvation
क्यों
is to
इतना?
kick down the door and
Torture है ना भाई।
escape. But doing it in a narrow, overheated bull's belly won't be easy. It'll take years of training to thrust it down with your hand. It'll be more effective to keep kicking at the door with your feet. You're probably not the first person to be roasted in that bull, and the lock has been damaged before you. A few kicks and you're free. No documented cases of execution by growing bamboo or the copper bull torture have been found by scientists. They're probably just legends that were used to intimidate people. But the next torture I'm going to tell you about is extensively described in documents. For you to be sentenced to execution by elephants, it was enough just to be laid on your taxes. Execution elephants were trained not to kill a person immediately, but first to crush and rip off their arms and legs. In India, such executions were arranged as big spectacles. Do you think there's any way you can escape the giant legs of an animal weighing 4 tons? You can try to keep your arms and legs to your sides and roll on the ground, but there's a possibility that the elephant will step on you by accident. Or you could call your elephant and order it to crush the executioner, who gives orders to the killer elephant.
Nice.
But one more giant animal in the arena is unlikely to increase your chances of survival. Imagine what it would be like if tortures were still common in contemporary society. What would they look like? The way I see it, a person would be tied up and forced to sit facing a huge screen. And on the screen is showing, let's say, one of my previous videos where I made a mistake and indicated the wrong date. The year was 1836. 1836. But the person's hands are tied, and they can't correct me in the comments. Then we can turn on the speech of a politician they hate, or show a video of the defeat of their favorite football team. There's so many reasons to leave a hateful comment, but the ropes are too strong. And yes, let's pay tribute to the traditions. A goat is walking around and occasionally licking the poor fellow's heels.
Okay, he has a nice way to tell things, Mazedar, and
I like his humor.
I love the way he was telling the कि हाउ टू सर्वाइव दिस, वो मुझे अच्छा लगा कि भाई सर्वाइवल भी बता रहा है भाई कि अगर बाई चांस तुम फंस जाओ इस सिचुएशन में इन फ्यूचर कुछ ऐसा कर लो और ऐसा कहीं चाइना वाइना चले जाओ और चाइना के लोग पागल हो जाएं, बावले हो जाएं कि हम भाई सब कुछ इतना मॉडर्न छोड़ के हम वापस जाएंगे वही चड्डी बन उसमें घूमेंगे एंड फूल पत्तियों में एंड हा हु ही करते हुए।
ज़्यादा नहीं हो गया भाई
चाइना वाले कुछ।
लेट्स गो।
तो हाउ टू सर्वाइव क्या मतलब, हाउ टू सर्वाइव बताने का?
चलो ठीक है।
अच्छा लास्ट वाला एलिफेंट वाला तो इंडिया में होता था भाई, मतलब
अरे इंडिया में भी बहुत टॉर्चर्स हुए हैं यार।
हाँ, आपको किसी से बैठ के आपको वीडियो बनाने पड़ जाए, आज के मॉडर्न टॉर्चर ये हो सकता है। एंड लेट्स होप आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई होगी एंड अगर पसंद है तो इस वीडियो को लाइक करना, कमेंट्स में बताना और कैसी वीडियो देखने। अगर पसंद आई होगी तो ठीक है, इसका और पार्ट्स लेंगे ऐसे ढूंढ के अजीब से कंटेंट,
कोई आपको बताना
वरना कोई नहीं कुछ और कर लेंगे। हाँ
वरना कोई बतानी है तो कमेंट कर दो।
यस एंड वन लास्ट थिंग, रिमेंबर वन थिंग, यू हैव टू ग्राइंड टू शाइन। टेक केयर, बाय बाय।